Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet this simple pattern. Make a chain of 80 stitches. Make one turning chain, then work single crochet stitches across the entire row. Now make 2 turning chains, then crochet 2 double stitches. Now skip 2 stitches from the previous row, insert the hook into the 3rd stitch, and work 6 double crochet stitches into it. Work 2 chain stitches, skip 2 stitches from the previous row, then work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Now work 2 chain stitches, skip 3 stitches from the previous row, then work 4 double crochet stitches. Start the next row the same way as the previous one. Make 2 chain stitches, then work 2 double crochet stitches. Now skip 1 chain space from the previous row, insert the hook into the next chain space, and work 6 double crochet stitches into it. Work 2 chain stitches, then make 1 double crochet into the same chain space. Now work 2 chain stitches, then make 4 double crochet stitches. For the next row, work it the same way as the previous row. And that's how you finish the pattern. This is how it looks when it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a like, and see you in the next video.